Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies Software Testing Trends. Software testing industry is an ever-growing industry with exceptional changes in the last decade. While test engineers are still struggling to cope up with the changes, new technologies, etc. This is not only a challenge to the testers for continuous learning, but also for the businesses to be aware of the best choice for their product or solution. New technologies are overcoming and are disrupting existing technologies which have been there for many years. These new technologies have always been a challenge to the testers. Come to first point, less importance for manual testing, software testing trends. Manual testing importance is getting reduced, but it is mandatory for software testers in order to understand the testing process. If it is automated testing also, manual testing experience or knowledge is important, mandatory. Okay. Next, the future is with open source tools. The next era will be evident for a lot of open source tools in an act. More and more businesses will accept these tools for appropriate execution of agile and DevOps, test management, defect management, and test automation. Few support groups of open source tools can only become extra involved and active. Next, third one, speed and quality will run hand in hand. Every individual or business will want the best product and as early as possible. Time and quality will always act as a major judging factor in shifting the landscape of software testing market. Next, the ruler, the rulers will be agile and DevOps, development and operations. Test automation creators are a part of agile teams. The old testing pitch is building a swing towards QA engineering and testing is eventually to become more interactive, progressive, and will become integrated with development. Okay, the rollers will be agile and DevOps. Next, testing big data will become a big deal. We are decked on the top of an explosive volume of big data now, and we need a very strong tactics for big data testing. Testing data sets demand high analytical tools, techniques, and frameworks. This is an area that is expected to grow big. Next, shift from performance testing to performance engineering. A better user experience is crucial to the success of the product. Performance consistency across platforms, operating system, and devices will define how much a product can capture a market. A necessity to provide the best UX is making businesses to change their strategy. These strategies are now becoming performance engineering than performance testing. Next important one, mobile testing will the important layer of test automation. The top of test automation trends causing the significant shift in the mobile devices and technology in business. Mobile application testing will unquestionably be a major influence in the software testing industry, which comprises of functional compatibility, performance, usability, and security testing as the chief areas. Next, probabilities of open source frameworks, mobile dev apps, and apps market will tend to increase to a greater, being a cause for expansion of mobile test automation landscape. Next, QA and developer roles will merge together. The growing acceptance of DevOps opinion is predicted to break silos of roles between developers and QA testers. With time running, the developers and operation managers started to accept testing activity as a part of their daily task. In fact, the developers love to catch bugs before it goes to the production. So, keeping this in mind, the experts forecast that the developers and testers role will merge in upcoming years. Next, ninth one, hardware testing will be in its own pace. Testing hardware is going to be a change for testers. Next, last one, software testing budgets continue to grow. Obviously, the huge focus and demand for high product excellence and with key IT trends, testing has become more important than just a need. This is pushing the businesses towards allocating a bigger IT budget for software testing and QA.